Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram live video notifications private and hidden from your phone's lock screen, you're in the right place. Whether you're tired of seeing every live alert pop up or just want to keep your notifications discreet, these simple steps will help you take control of your privacy. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the options to manage how your apps send notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. Tapping on Instagram will open up its specific settings, including notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of alerts Instagram can send to your phone. Look for the section labeled Live Videos. Tap on this option to adjust how you receive notifications specifically for Instagram live streams. Inside the live video settings, tap on Lock Screen. This is where you can control what appears when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Hide Content. By selecting this, you make sure that notifications for Instagram live videos will still arrive, but the actual content, like who's live or any preview text, won't be visible on your lock screen. Instead, you'll just see a generic Instagram notification, keeping your activity private until you unlock your device. That's it. With these quick steps, you can enjoy more privacy and avoid unwanted previews of Instagram live notifications on your lock screen. If you want to reverse this at any time, just follow the same steps and adjust your preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newfound privacy on Instagram.